Why I got this, I don't know. At the time, who knows when I fall in love with something at the time? Who knows why I do? Hi Beanbeauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing? Back to my little series, my little series, or series of littles, however you want to say it. What's in this bucket? So this is like the third video. I had a video that has, or maybe a fourth video that has miscellaneous, yeah. And then a video that had Coach items, and then a video that had Dooney items, and then here is Brooches, and they all fit in this mailing. This mail out, and I've been just kind of collecting them, so we're going to open them now. This is some with Brooches. This has Brooches. This has Brooches. Brooches. And looks like we're still gonna have another video. All right, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things to open. All right, I'm gonna go quick. I'm not gonna be dilly-dallying around. We're gonna go quick. We'll just open we'll open the boxes first and get these out of the way because they're kind of big and in the way. I will be telling you the basic information. This got this one actually, I like one. This is from shopgoodwill.com. They actually sent an invoice with it, thank goodness. So it'll tell me when, at least when it got shipped, possibly the price. Okay, this is, it's vintage, non-vintage, unsigned bird collections. It was $7.99, $8.68 shipping, $2 handling, $1.55 tax, total of $20.22 for, it looks like there are 10 to 13 pieces. It was purchased, so I purchased it May the 1st, and it was shipped out May the 1st of 2024. So that's not too bad. That's not too bad. So my bid was $7.99. So let's see what all comes in here. Oh, look. Ah, not too bad. Not too bad. Is this birds? Yeah, my mom liked birds. And I like Brooches, and they were a good price. So I thought, okay, I'm going to get them. I've been recording for a while. I need some water. I need a potty break. Okay. So these are just miscellaneous. Some are wood, some are metal. So here is a gold hummingbird, right? It's a gold hummingbird. Okay. Here is a silver, looks like a duck or a swan, a duck, geese, a geese. Is it still a geese if it's one? It looks like that's pewter. This is just a cheapy little parrot. It's tin, that's tin. This is one of the reasons why it caught my eye. This is a blue owl. I fell in love with that. Blue rhinestone owl. I thought that was precious. This is like a clay pelican. This one is a parrot, which is, I want to say it's like a resin. It's not plastic, it's like a resin. This is a red bird, so it made me think of my mom. She loved red birds. Her high school mascot was the Cardinals. And you know, they say if you see a red bird, that's a member who has passed away. It's come to say hello. So we have a lot of these in our yard. They come. This one is just a cute little ducky. It's just a gold little ducky. This one is lovebirds. Little red lovebirds. This actually is really pretty. It's like a little vintagey, the bird of peace that goes to the land and finds the land after Noah's Ark lands. It's blue with blue rhinestones with some pearls. This one is a metal. This one's a little ugly. A parrot. It's a little ugly parrot. This looks like it's hand painted. This one is also a dove of peace. Right there. Another set. This one's blue though, of the lovebirds. And here is a duck. A little black and white duck. Oh, that scared me. Black and white duck. Black and white duck. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's not bad. 14 was $7.99, and I really, because I liked it was like 1 or 2 things like that. I like that owl. There was a couple of things that I liked, so that wasn't a bad deal. Let's open this box. This says, looks like there's 2 brooches. This one comes from Ohio. Came packaged like this. So this has, looks like 2 items in here. Oh yeah, okay. This right here is the crown, because you know I'm a royalist. I like to watch the royal family. It's something that I did with my mom. She liked it, and I used to watch with that. So here, this I did have a bidding war with this. Somebody else wanted it, but I got it. So this was $12. And this is called the fireworks pin. And this fireworks pin was $6.95. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the way it goes, this way. And it's just fireworks, looks like fireworks, gold fireworks. So this was $6.95. So that total was $18.95. Shipping was $9.10. Handling was $3. So a total of $33.81. Whoops. All right. This right here was shipped from Kentucky, Bowling Green, Kentucky. It was shipped April the 11th, 2024. So this was shipped April the 11th, not too long ago. I ordered it on the 11th and they sent it out. Oh, okay. So this is 4-piece, 1 brooch, 1 pendant, 2 pearl necklaces that are $9.25. It was $9.99, $22, and total of $56 with shipping and tax. So it was. So here is. I think this was a lot. I'm not sure. These probably won't fit me. I mean, I would need a connector with them. They're antique jewelry, vintage jewelry, but not necessarily high dollar jewelry. You know, it's not. They're not high dollar antique jewelries. There's just costume jewelry. Yeah, but that's how you would wear them like that. Here is a watering can, and oh, here was the New York pendant. So I think this is the one that's $9.25. That's what that was. Why I got this, I don't know, because the price doesn't look like it's something that I would get, and at the time, who knows when I fall in love with something at the time. Who knows why I do. So here is, comes from Statesville, North Carolina. This was mailed May the 3rd, 2024. May the 3rd. Not too bad. They had it wrapped up with the bubble wrap, and then so this is a onyx marcasita brooch. The bid was $7, so it was $7 for this. The total with shipping was $20.98 total. I didn't separate it for some reason. For some reason, she didn't separate it. $7 bid is what I got it for. Boy, I'm tired. Am I losing energy, y'all? I'm sorry if I am. I'm tired. This is, I don't know, my 3rd or 4th video in a row. It's like I have makeup on. I saw Jackie. I was all excited. So I thought, okay, I'm going to go home and I'm going to do some recording. So this right here was also from shopgoodwill.com. These are all from shopgoodwill.com, by the way, if I didn't say it earlier. This was from Cincinnati, Ohio. It was mailed on March the 10th, sorry, 2024. And it is a brooch. It's signed Wells 14 karat gold KGF and sterling brooch. It came from the store. It says Oakley, and it was $9.99. This is very old. That's what it looks like right there. So it was $9.99. Shipping was $9.10. Handling $2. $1.74 tax. $22.83 grand total. I don't know. I liked the waviness of it. I don't know if I will clean them up, if I'll try to do. I don't know. Some things I like vintage, you know, look vintage, and some things I like to clean up, you know, that are vintage-y. Here's this one. This one was shipped from Falls Creek, Pennsylvania. It was $4.99, total of $11.04 with shipping, tax, and all that good stuff. It was shipped 4/7/2024. Skinny gold beautiful heart fashion brooch. Oh good, I need a gold brooch. I have a silver one, but this is the one I was looking for the other day. I thought I had unboxed it. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty. So it is shiny gold tone beautiful heart fashion brooch. Winning bid was $4.99. The supplier was Reynoldsville, but it doesn't say that it's signed or marked or anything like that, and it's just costume jewelry. Very pretty though, very, very pretty. Probably should have been in a bigger box because it's a little tight. All right, almost one more left. Beanbeautis, one more left. This one is Vintage Bling Aurora Borealis brooch. It says condition vintage. All stones are present. The brooch is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. The clasp is a working clasp. It was shipped May the 3rd, 2024. The bid was $9. Tax was $187. Shipping was $6.99. Handling was $2.99. Some of these stores, and it was $20.55. So it comes in this little box, and they closed. Yeah, because the air is what gets them and what tarnishes it. So that was very smart of them and very thoughtful. And So the iridescent aurora borealis is supposed to be, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That's just beautiful. So this is not like a high dollar one. This is, you know, costume jewelry, but I thought it was very pretty. And a lot of times these just go really quick, really quick. So $9 is an excellent bid for that. So total $20.55 is actually excellent for that. And I liked how they did that. It was cute. All right, Bean Beauties, we had a lot of items here, so I'm not even going to count them. You can go back and count them. And I'm tired. I'm going to do one of these. I'm tired. It's like, Granny, I'm tired. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by and sticking around with me. It says 20:02. I got to cut this down. All right, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.